at the zoo. Look, this is an emu. Do you know where it comes from? No? It comes from Australia. Australia is an English-speaking country. There are many unusual animals in Australia because it is far from other countries. Let's travel to Australia and you'll learn a lot of interesting things about some animals living there. They are emus, Australian ostriches. Emus are brown. They have got big bodies with long neck and legs. Emus have got small heads and eyes. They eat plants and insects. They have got dark green eggs. Emus are very unusual birds. They are strong and can run very fast. Emus are birds, but they can't fly. Look, these are koalas. Koalas have got fat bodies, big ears and heads. They are really funny. Koalas live in trees. Koalas don't drink. They eat only eucalyptus leaves. Look, what animal is hopping? It's a kangaroo. Kangaroos are big animals with big bodies and small heads. They have got big and strong tails. Kangaroos have got bags. They keep their babies there. Kangaroos are very strong. Sometimes they fight with each other. Now say goodbye to the Australian animals. Let's come back to Russia. It's Moscow. There is a wonderful theater in Moscow. It's Grandpa Durov's Wonderland. Look, animals are actors here. So unusual. A pigeon. It can walk on the ball. A tiger. It can stand on two legs. A hippo can sing. Dogs can jump and dance. Look, they are elephants. All the animals can do many tricks. They are very unusual. Do you know any unusual animals? Why are they unusual?